In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmatch a bank transaction in QuickBooks Online. If a bank feed matched to the wrong transaction or you need to make changes, unmatching is the clean, safe way to send it back for review without deleting anything or losing your data. First, look to the left-hand navigation. Click Accounting. This takes you to the area where your chart of accounts and bank activity live. From here, open the Bank Transactions tab. Depending on your setup, you may see multiple bank or credit card accounts along the top. Make sure you've selected the account that holds the transaction you want to fix, so you're viewing the correct feed. Once you're on the bank feed, switch to the Categorize tab. This tab shows items that have already been accepted into your books, including transactions that QuickBooks matched to existing entries like invoices, bills, or expenses. If a transaction was matched incorrectly, this is exactly where you'll find it. Scan the list for the transaction you want to unmatch. If you have a lot of activity, use the search and filter options to narrow by date, amount, or description. When you've found it, simply click Undo on that matched transaction. QuickBooks will immediately unmatch it and move it out of Categorized, sending it back to the For Review section. That's all there is to it. Here's what happens behind the scenes. Undo does not delete your bank transaction or your original record. It just breaks the link between them. This is helpful if you want to edit the original bill or expense first, or if you plan to rematch the bank feed to the correct entry afterward. If the transaction was part of a split or a transfer, Undo rolls it back so you can recategorize it properly. If the transaction happens to be in a reconciled period, be mindful that changes may affect your reconciliation reports, so review that later if needed. A few quick tips. If you don't see the transaction right away, confirm you're on the correct account and tab, and adjust filters to expand the date range. Remember that Undo is only available in the Categorize tab, since that's where matched items live. And if your company uses user permissions, you'll need access to banking to perform this action. To recap, accounting on the left, bank transactions, open the Categorize tab, find the matched item, and click Undo. That's it. Fast, precise, and reversible when you need it.